The Blade Lite family of banner stands offers 8 width options to choose from and is a simplistic and elegantly designed retractable banner stand. Mounting the graphic to the stand is simple. Although we are demonstrating the graphic attachment on an Orient retractable banner stand, please note that the process and rail hardware is the exact same for the Blade Lite. Begin by pulling out the plastic end caps on either side, opening the snapping portion of the rail and removing the adhesive slider. Align the adhesive slider with the top line of the graphic. Carefully remove the adhesive tape from the slider and apply pressure. Peel back the protective covering 2 inches and push onto the graphic. Carefully remove the rest of the protection and press firmly. Next, slide the graphic into the top rail. Snap closed and reinsert your end caps. Re-roll the graphic so that your top rail is in the center and flip the graphic over. Line the bottom of the graphic up with the top of the white leader strip, which is attached to the base. Apply masking tape to either side of the leader strip to prevent it from moving in the process. Once aligned, carefully peel back the protective coating and slowly join with the graphic. Apply pressure to assure solid attachment. Prior to retracting the graphic into the base, place a strip of masking tape across the seam for additional security. Grasp the graphic firmly and remove the pin from the right side of the base. Slowly feed the graphic into the stand. Once complete, the Blade Lite banner stand is ready for display.